Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you one simple command that you can run if you would like to become a pro at using command prompt, right? Now, let's jump right into it. So all you have to do is just simple go ahead, click the Windows key on your keyboard or on your taskbar, and you want to simple type in CMD, right? You'll see the command prompt. You can run this as administrator, or you can simply run this normally because it's just going to basically give you the commands which I'm about to share with you. So you don't need administrative privileges to do that. So simple click on CMD, guys, and once it is open, all you have to do is type this one word: help. That's all. Once you type in help, just hit enter and have a look at that. Let me go ahead and maximize it. You see a ton of different commands that you can use. So you have things such as break, you have things such as call, you have so many things. Check this, just have a look at this. Go ahead and type in the help command and you will see what each of them is used for, and you have pretty clear description of what they're used for, and so you can go ahead and start using them. And an easy tip is that if you want to know more how you can use it, you can simply take these keywords by simple copy them from the side here and just simple go ahead and Google them, how to use this, how to use that, and you can easily go ahead and find it. So let me go ahead and choose, for example, this check this. So let's say I would like to learn how to use this. I can simply go ahead and I can copy that and I can open up a Google window and I can simple type in how to use, and I just simple paste that command here, and as you can see, it's already start to populate, and you can see it start to tell me how to use check this command, how to use check this command in CMD. So I can simply click on anyone and look at that. You get it from Google how to use it. It tells you what to do, what it is used for, and you can simply click on those related websites so that you can get more details of what it is used for. So as you can see, for example, this command, I can go to this website here, and when I head over to this website, it basically gives me all the information I need and how to basically use this command. So guys, this is very interesting and very important. So if you want to become a pro at utilizing your CMD and become a pro at Windows, running commands, become an expert basically, you can utilize the help so that you can become aware of knowing what kind of commands are there and how you can utilize them. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.